morning, guys. What we have planned for today, it's gonna be an absolute banger day. We're going to Muay Thai right now, maybe ice bath, sauna, and then we have a yacht party coming up. And between all of that, we have like 6 sales calls, so we're just gonna try our best to take care of those, get some money in the door while we enjoy this beautiful Friday or Saturday, whatever day it is. But I'm already late to Muay Thai. It starts in like 10 minutes and it's 30 minutes away. So I'm gonna have to risk my life and drive full throttle all the way there. But without further ado, I'll see you guys at Muay Thai.
And nothing gets me down. You got it tough. I've seen the toughest around. And I know.
Hey guys, with Muay Thai fighting, whatever martial arts it is, I think it's the most important thing a man can do, especially in his 20s, because life has tons of problems. There's ups and downs, but with life, like, it's not going to punch you as hard in the face as, let's just say, Muay Thai or boxing, where you're actually getting hit in the face. Where in life, problems do come, but they don't hit as hard as punches in the gym. So that's why I think fighting has helped me the most, is just because, like, I used to think all these problems were so big and that they were holding me back from my goals, but in reality, they were just very small things that was just soaking up my confidence and my ability to believe myself. Like, after starting boxing and getting hit in the face, I realized like they weren't really problems at all. They were more just like a lack of a confidence thing. So from what I've seen, just confidence has increased 100x since starting boxing. I've traveled the world, made money on it. I think, to be honest, it's from boxing, just getting hit in the face. That opened up my eyes, woke me up to the fact that no one's gonna save me. I gotta save myself and create the reality that I truly want for myself. So start boxing, get hit in the face. That's my prescription to having a better life. How you landing this so far?
Pretty good.
First time
I made just some shots. Yeah, first time. I did like box once a week for half a year, but this is fun to know the kicking.
There's more buttons to click.
For the YouTube?
Okay. Now, we're about to get a ginger shot, avocado toast and eggs, hit the ice bath, sauna, just drain out the broke thoughts to acquire the abundance mindset. And after you smash that down, get to a high frequency state from the ice bath and all that stuff. We got the yacht party coming up, so it's gonna be an absolute banger of a day. Just keep watching, guys. The yacht party is gonna be crazy. I have like 6 calls I'm gonna have to take on the yacht, so I'm gonna figure out a way to get those deals closed and get the money coming in. We have a timer there. We're gonna try to do at least 1 minute. Okay, but this is like the coldest ice bath I've been in. It's like moving, always cold. You never really get used to it, but it's the best thing to do, especially when you're trying to get to the high frequency state. It's hot in here. Woo. Power of Buddha. You have to envision Buddha is here, holding your hand in the ice bath. Easy. Guys, most people, they're scared to do the hard stuff, even getting out of bed, getting on their laptops, trying to find a way to make money online. But the thing is, the more you do the hard thing, and less of the thing that's easy, the easier that hard thing gets. And that's what I found out about remote sales, just coming out here and giving up on the video games, the weed, all the easy stuff that you can do, and just doing all the hard things that it takes in order to create the life that I wanted for myself, doing outreach, networking, and just placing myself in the best possible position to be able to land that first gold mine offer that I was able to land. Now guys, if you guys do want to come out here to Koh Samui or anywhere else in the world, and you have Wi-Fi, you have a brain, you have a heart that beats and a mouth that speaks, you can succeed in remote sales. And if you do want to do that for yourself, you can book a call down below, feel free. I can't help everyone, but I can help a few individuals that are willing to put in the work, take the necessary risk and relentless actions to start moving the needle forward towards their goals. If you want to hit me up on Instagram as well, it's the same as my YouTube, so hit me up there. Yeah, other than that, guys, we're gonna go ahead and dump ourselves in and get the fuck out of here. If you guys are in the northeast side of Thailand, this is definitely the best place to go grab some cigars. It's called Omart Liquor. It's got liquor, snacks, cigars, nuts, everything you need. So let's head on inside. Welcome. Look at all this nuts. Oh my goodness, this is nuts heaven. Strawberry cheesecake just for the culture. What is this? It's like an off-brand loop.
Take my puppy.
Alright, but the goal here, we're just gonna grab some cigars, so maybe a kilo as well. For the yacht, of course. We just need to get a lot of quantity because we have like probably 15 people or more coming. I don't know how many people are gonna smoke cigars, but let's just grab a bunch, and you know, you can never have too many cigars.
That's gonna give us cancer. What is that?
Bro, it's 3,450 baht for these.
What even is that?
The Pablo. The peak of the shroom trip, we just take one of these and just ascend to the mountaintops to meet Buddha in our minds. Really crazy. Bam. Side quest success. There's nothing more high test than driving in Koh Samui with the shirt off, Muay Thai shorts, snus in the upper decky, listening to some like heavy metal. Like, I mean, how can life get any better? It's like peak life standards. Look how safe Thailand is. We left our bag here with like a few, I think it's probably like $1,000 worth of stuff in there, and you can just leave it around anywhere. You can walk around with your Rolex and no one's gonna steal it. Absolute cheat code living out here in Thailand. Yeah, heading back to the villa now, about 30 minutes drive. So we're gonna bang out some tunes, get buzzed out of our minds, and I'll see you guys at the villa. Guys, we're about to head back.
The most
on the
important
yacht.
part of the mastermind you guys thought is the talking of it, but no, it's this.
We're taking it to the next level now. Van is here. Now we're on the way to the beach. I have a sales call literally in, I have a call in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So we're gonna close it in the van and show everyone how it's done. So let's go, let's go. See you guys on the yacht. Didn't get to close. He was such a scumbag guy. But yeah, he might close on Monday. It's like a 10% chance, to be honest. But no worries, we got a lot more qualified prospects on the calendar today. We're gonna go hop on the yacht now. And yeah, it's gonna be a blast of a day. And we're gonna keep the frequency high, close even more deals for the rest of the day. It's a lot bigger than I thought. In the pictures, it looked like it was going to be half this size, but it's actually pretty huge. I'll take you guys for a quick tour. Starting with up there, just like a little patio deck. We got Veda, our new friend, Pastor, one of our other friends. Yeah. We come in here, like what the inside looks like. It's pretty fire. We got fruit everywhere. Water.
Okay, everyone is complete. Right now we are going
Best place to be. Lounge. My bag's
here to the we will stay there and have activity there.
It looks like we're already drinking a little bit, getting hydrated. To be honest, to get to this point, I'm pretty retarded. Really not sure how I got here, but I know I did take a big risk moving out to Thailand with $1,500 in my pocket, no income whatsoever. Now to be here on a yacht, go somewhere with all my best friends, I just feel very, very grateful. And I mean, you guys could do the exact same thing. You just need to take risks that line up with your goals, take relentless action, and then be consistent and never give up. Very simple formula, a lot easier said than done. But if you can do it, I can do it, you can do it as well.
Wait, what's going on?
That's what it looks like, guys. We're just weighing out the baht that we earned from the clothes.
Shit, that was the secret the whole time that you were talking about.
I was gonna blur it out a bit.
He's rerunning to get back.
Yeah. The personal branding.
Look dehydrated. Got you something to drink.
Dude, I need that, bro.
We're here at Koh Phagan, just off the coast of Koh Samui. To be absolutely honest, guys, I rate this island a 2 out of 10. It's just a bunch of shit jumbled together. It's like one of those places you'd go to in your 20s, think it's okay, get a hostel for like 200 baht a night, and then wake up at 65 wondering what the hell happened. Like, that's kind of this exact best way I can describe it. I have a call in like 30 minutes. So we're gonna need to find a way to get back to the boat as soon as possible and to put this in the cooler for us to get hydrated later. So yeah, that's pretty much an update for you guys. I'll see you on the boat. We didn't get to sail over 2. Absolute devastation of the day. So this is our punishment. Punch the body for not getting to sail. Jake, if you're watching this, this is my punishment. We're on the way to the Space Plus right now. A little extra boost. We got a Red Bull, and we got some snus as well. We're getting ramen coffee, and then we're getting a lighter for Kanye. So let's go ahead and check out. Side quest complete, club, and check.
Sure makes me wonder if you know what you're looking for. Baby, I wanna give my reputation. I'm a sensation. You try it once, you beg for more.